How to make a man chase you after you slept with him. Okay, girls, gather around because we're diving into the post-hookup mind maze. You've just spent a steamy night with the guy you're into, but now you're in a bit of a twist. You want more than a one-night stand. You want his attention, maybe even a full-blown relationship. The problem is, he's not charging your way like a knight in shining armor. So how do you make him chase you without sending him running for the hills? Buckle up, we're sticking to our usual style, breaking down your next steps into 8 easy-to-follow moves. Your first move after the fatal event is to decode what's happening inside that guy's head. For many guys, the morning after spells one thing, a swift exit. They might have achieved their goal or are unsure about their next move, and they're probably feeling a tad awkward. Now you're aware something's off, it's time to give him space. No clinging, no neediness, and a sprinkle of indifference can work wonders. So your second move isn't to go all demanding like, I need more commitment, buddy. No, that's not the way. You gotta play it cool like you couldn't care less. Take your focus off the man and watch what happens. When you do, he will start wondering about you, I guarantee it. However, if he's not contacting you, don't panic. That's your third move. Men and women see things a bit differently. Guys don't want you to pressure them into commitment, especially right after getting intimate. So if you've been getting cozy and it's only been a few days, don't expect your guy to start following you around like some love-struck puppy. It's not the end of the world if he's gone silent. But here's the thing, don't go all emotional or clingy if he has. That's like throwing cold water on the whole situation. What you need to do is to continue to play it cool. Give the man some space, let him miss you, and let those feelings brew naturally. Because if you chase him with all your emotions, you've pretty much blown your chance. So stay chill, keep your cool, and let things unfold on their terms. That's the way to do it. Okay, while you're letting the situation develop, here's your fourth move. Focus on you. Confidence mixed with a dash of not giving a damn is your secret weapon. Don't make this guy the center of your universe. Chase your dreams, live your life, and let your independence shine like a beacon. Then, watch as he scratches his head, wondering why you're not smothering him with attention, and how happy you seem without him. That's the trick, girls. A little mystery keeps them hooked. It's weird, but the more you throw yourself at someone, the less they're into it. Now, if things start to pick up, your fifth move is to let your man take the lead. Give him space to make the moves, set up those dates, and feel he's in control. But here's the deal. Don't go all out to make him happy. Make him put in some real effort. Men love a challenge, and everyone wants what they can't have. So keep that in mind, and you might find yourself winning him over. Don't sit by the phone 24/7 waiting for him to call. Stay busy. Be your awesome self and let him chase you somewhat. That's how you keep the intrigue alive, ladies. As your sixth move, aim to be enjoyable and enticing when he dates you again. Concentrate on having a blast and being captivating in his company. Forget the commitment talk. Instead, be that fun, alluring partner who adds excitement to his life. Keep him guessing, throw in spontaneity, and ditch the constant need for reassurance. Your secret weapon is to allow things to develop naturally as your time together progresses. Don't force anything or be in a rush. Behaving this way is irresistible and could swing him completely your way. Your seventh move is waiting until the time is right. If your guy isn't stepping up by showing real commitment, planning new dates, and making quality time for you, don't rush back into bed with him, alright? I'm telling you, sex without commitment is like stepping into an emotional minefield, especially if the guy isn't on the same page as you. It's like mixing oil and water. That's a one-way ticket to rejection and heartbreak. I know those urges can be strong, but resist the temptation. Offering more intimacy isn't likely to win any man over. It's more likely to push him away. So hold off, even if it feels like it's taking forever. Wait until your man is genuinely interested and committed, because that's when it's worth it. And finally, your eighth move. You don't need to bend over backward to please this guy. Instead, maintain your composure, focus on your boundaries, and give yourself the respect you deserve, which means be ready to dump him if necessary. If this guy isn't putting in the effort, why should you? Shift your focus to someone who truly appreciates and values you. Life's too short to chase after someone not worth your time. Always remember that. Okay, we got through the complete set of moves. Now for a quick summary. The immediate post-hookup phase isn't the time to drop the "I want a serious relationship" bomb. Instead, keep things relaxed and take it slow. No rushing, no pushing, no emotional outbursts, and a generous helping of indifference is the approach. Focus on yourself, have fun, let him come to you, and wait for the right time to have sex again. You're a catch, and if you can't see that you are, there are plenty of other fish in the sea. These guidelines are your roadmap to making him chase you, and if he doesn't follow through, well, toss him back into the dating pond. You deserve nothing but the best. If you like how we do things, remember to smash that subscribe button, punch the like button into oblivion, and ring the notification bell so hard you wake up your neighbors. Peace out.